Gaming algorithms gather vast amounts of data about your playing habits, preferences, and behavior. This includes how long you play, what you interact with, and how you engage with in-game content. Based on this information, algorithms tailor content recommendations to keep you engaged and encourage you to return to the game. Behavioral patterns and engagement metrics. Algorithms often analyze patterns in your gameplay, like the types of levels you enjoy, your achievements, or specific characters you prefer. The more you engage with certain content, the more likely the algorithm will show you similar content, optimizing your experience by delivering things you are more likely to interact with. Content relevance and timeliness. Gaming platforms consider both relevance and timeliness when recommending content. If a game has a seasonal event or update, algorithms will push this content to you at the right time, ensuring that you don't miss out. This keeps your experience fresh and encourages you to stay engaged during limited time events or challenges. Social connections and peer influence. Algorithms take into account your social connections within games, showing you content that your friends or other players are engaging with. This could be multiplayer game recommendations, in-game challenges, or events that align with what your peers are participating in, driving engagement through social influence. Monetization and in-game purchases. Gaming algorithms also play a role in driving in-game purchases by recommending content that encourages spending. Based on your gameplay and spending habits, they may show you offers for skins, upgrades, or special items that you are likely to purchase. This drives revenue for developers while keeping the player invested in the game. Adaptive difficulty and game progression. To keep players engaged, gaming algorithms can adjust the difficulty of challenges based on how well you're doing in the game. If you're breezing through levels, it may present harder content, and if you're struggling, it could offer easier alternatives. This dynamic difficulty adjustment helps maintain a sense of progression and keeps the experience enjoyable. Exploring new content and discovery. Algorithms help players discover new content that might not be immediately obvious. By analyzing your past behavior, the system might recommend content similar to what you've enjoyed before but from new areas of the game. This encourages exploration and variety, making sure you don't fall into a repetitive gameplay loop. User feedback and ratings influence content. Many games incorporate user feedback, ratings, or reviews into the algorithm's decision-making process. If a particular piece of content receives high ratings or positive feedback, the system is more likely to recommend it to others, influencing content visibility and fostering a sense of community involvement. Machine learning and continuous improvement. As you continue playing, gaming algorithms learn from your behavior and continuously improve their recommendations. Through machine learning, the system refines its understanding of what you enjoy, gradually offering more accurate and appealing content. This adaptability helps maintain long-term engagement and player satisfaction, balancing content diversity and familiarity. While gaming algorithms focus on keeping content relevant, they also balance it with diversity. A successful algorithm doesn't just show you the same type of content over and over, it introduces new experiences to avoid monotonous gameplay. This mix of familiar and new content keeps your experience fresh and exciting while still catering to your preferences.